In what ways does your media product use, develop, or challenge forms and conventions of real media products? Here I have two images composed using Photoshop. Each consists of 9 tiles containing forms and conventions from our media product and also real media products. Our film falls into the genres of romance and psychological thrillers. Here are 3 conventions that our film shares with existing psychological thrillers. Next are 3 conventions that we use from romantic films. And finally, here are 3 conventions of real products that we challenge in our own film. Here are 9 stills from our media product that correspond to each of the existing products in the left-hand image. I will now discuss each of the conventions that are present in these scenes, as well as several additional forms and conventions that appear in our film. Firstly, this image is a still from Shutter Island. A convention that this film makes use of is the ambiguity surrounding a character's situation, relationship, or existence. For instance, in Shutter Island, Teddy's current relationship to his wife is unclear. He often hallucinates about being with her, and it is also unknown if she is still alive. This kind of situation is very common among psychological thrillers, and we also recreate a similar situation as part of our own narrative. This still is taken from a scene in our film which shows David imagining his wife, Emma, being in the room and speaking to him. The ambiguity of this moment is also enhanced by the leitmotif which is used each time David is hallucinating about her. Secondly is a still from psychological thriller Inception, also starring Leonardo DiCaprio. As the film and narrative progress, it is revealed that the character is not actually who he is first portrayed to be. In our film, David appears to be a fairly normal man. However, as the narrative continues, it becomes clear that David is actually a very isolated and quite disturbed man. Here we return to Shutter Island for the conventions of flashbacks that are used in thriller films. We make use of flashbacks to reveal the story behind David's actions and to sum up and justify the narrative, completing the story behind our film.